Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to place a trade on MetaTrader 5. So if you're a beginner and feel confused about where to tap and what to do, just follow along step by step and you'll get it done easily. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your MetaTrader 5 app on your phone. Make sure it's updated to the latest version so you don't run into any issues. Once you're inside the app, you'll see your trading pairs, for example, Euro-USD, or any other pair you like to trade. Tap on the pair you want to trade. Now, before placing the trade, look for the lot size section and enter your desired lot size. Make sure you double check it so you don't risk more than you planned. Next, you'll see two main options, buy and sell. If you think the market is going up, tap buy. If you think the market is going down, tap sell. For this example, tap on buy. As soon as you tap it, your trade will be placed and you'll see it listed in your open positions. Now let's manage the trade properly. Tap on your running trade. You'll see options like Close, SL, and TP. Tap on the SL icon to set your stop loss. Adjust it to the level you're comfortable with. Then tap on the TP icon to set your take profit. Adjust it to your target level. After setting both SL and TP, tap on the arrow icon to confirm and modify the trade. This locks in your risk and your target. Now your trade is running with proper risk management. If you want to close the trade manually, go back to your open positions and press and hold the trade. A small menu will appear with options like Close, Modify, or New Order. Tap on Close Position. You'll see the result, whether it's a small loss or profit. Then tap Close and your trade will be closed. And that's it. That's the easiest way to place, manage, and close a trade on MT5 step by step.